Great. Thank you for looking into coming to the PSYCH-K Online Workshop with me. We welcome you. I'll share a little bit about what you'll be learning if you do choose to come to the online workshop. It's a 3-day workshop, and the gift with this workshop is you get to be in your own home, right? Or office if you want, but you get to stay or be where you are. We connect through Zoom, and you'll be meeting people all over the country or even all over the world that choose to come at the same time you do. So in this 3-day workshop, you're going to be learning first, you'll be learning from Bruce Lipton. So Dr. Bruce Lipton has created a special video to help educate those that are ready to learn PSYCH-K in this way online. It's a 70-minute video, so you'll be learning about the science, about like how we are, how we operate, how our cells operate, and then how the gift we have when we can unite all aspects of our mind. And that's what you'll be doing with PSYCH-K, is uniting all aspects of your mind and be able to open up your heart. Okay, you'll be working directly with your subconscious mind. You'll be learning how to self-muscle test to connect with your subconscious mind. And then you'll be learning the PSYCH-K balance process change, which is a 7-step process that helps you move easily and effectively to make changes that you're ready to at the subconscious level of the mind. So anything limiting you, blocking you, preventing you from living the life that you're desiring, PSYCH-K is a beautiful tool to help you with exactly this. And then you get to learn it in a very easy, fun, comfortable way in your own home. How nice is that, huh? And then the second day, you'll be learning how to create well-formed goal statements, how to actually create what's very personal and meaningful for you that your subconscious mind can understand. And you learn, because this is a spiritual process, connection with your superconscious mind. That's your direct connection with source, and whatever that means for you. We honor every faith walk and every philosophy that helps to connect them with their higher aspects of themselves. You will need to actually have like a green light that says it's safe and appropriate, and you learn that process in the PSYCH-K balance change process. Once you get the green light, you get to make the changes within you, and you'll begin to feel it and experience it and begin your new journey. You'll learn how to transform perceptions. That's working with your emotions and things, stressful situations, stressful things that have happened to you in the past, present, and future. You get to time travel a little bit, which is really fun. Yeah, and you'll be working with the principles of nature. So we have goals that are very helpful, that align with the principles of nature, so you can be in alignment with nature and Mother Earth, which will really help your life be more fulfilling and peaceful and full of love. And then the third day, we get really creative, which is awesome. You get to expand in your creativity of how creative you can be with dreaming again, creating your new goals, and then really changing it at the subconscious level, and then begin to go live it in your new way, and talking about the action steps and your inspired way of living. And then you begin to start making new changes, whatever you're ready for. You go at your pace. It's the level of your intention and your heart's desires. So if you have any other questions, you're welcome to reach out to me. You can go to my website, igniteandhealyourlife.com, and there's a contact us button to just send me a message, and we can set a time up to talk. Have a beautiful day, and I welcome you to the online workshop. It's here for you. The door's open. It's just up to you to say yes and come on in.